Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete message in Bigo Live. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Bigo Live application. Now click on the chats option in the bottom section of your screen. Open the chat where you want to delete the message. Tap and hold on the message that you want to delete. Then tap on delete option. And that is how you can delete message in Bigo Live application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.